First time we've had anything to do with pen turning or resin casting and what have you. I'm really looking forward to it. Welcome you all here. I'd like to now turn our attention to today's program. Kelly Lamont from Center Barnstead, New Hampshire, is a member of our group.
I guess I'm here to explain different resins, their purposes, how to use them, mix them. Some need pressure pots, some don't. Some resins are just for stabilizing wood, like this punky piece that he had out earlier. Use this for an example. And I got one right there. So you can see all the tear out, and it's really punky. Oh, okay, so this here is the 5-gallon vacuum chamber. Basically, you've got your gauge, inlet, outlet, over here, and it's got a glass top. So this, you've got 1-to-1, and then you have 2-to-1. You've got different types of resin. You've got like Total Boat, Super Clear, Designer Epoxy. I tend to use a lot of Lumilite.
Well, I didn't cut that thing. By then the ants and the white rot. And then Kelly was wondering what.
That's going in our oven later?
This is small enough it should fit in a toaster oven.
Try to be sloppy.
But you can see it already absorbing the resin. It's already going to work. Yeah, yep. Oh, not this stuff.
Yellow. Well, they are in Papua New Guinea.
Yeah. Yeah, I make fake teeth. I mean, I probably could.
We've been thinking of doing a session on how to sell your work, pricing and merchandising and stuff like that.
That was always the hardest for me to do, is to price the work to make it, like your time and material. You can see it's sucking into that hole right there. That's a deeper crack than it looks. All right, so that's nice and thick. So I got glue inside of my blanks here, because you have to glue in there's brass tubes that come with this as well. That's what you're pushing into, pressing into. All right, those are set. All right, so we're going to take this over to the lathe. I'm just knocking down the corners with the square negative rake. Oh, itchy. Yep. All right.
I mean, when you make 100 pens, you go through, you don't just make one at a time like you just did.
Oh no, I do all the barrel, like all the body, like I'll cut everything. Yeah, I do in batches, so I do it all. I'll cut them all. Glue on. This is already significantly
Kelly,
heavier.
how much would you get for that pen? Sometimes I play with casting resin and stuff.
Yep.
And what I'll do is I'll drill a hole in a piece of wood and pour the excess in there. Thank you, Kelly.
Yeah.